Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with sample paper 1, starting off with section C now. So you are here, this is about a construction wherein we need to construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeters, angle B is 75 degrees and AB plus AC is 13 centimeters. So we will do the construction and we will write the construction steps as well. Starting off with what is given, we'll write the given on this side of the board since we are doing the writing part on that side. So I'll say given in triangle ABC, BC is equal to 7 centimeters, angle B is equal to 75 degrees and AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeters. We need to construct triangle ABC and I will say steps. So why this part of the board is empty? Because we are going to do the construction. So starting off the construction, we are first going to draw a straight line. With this center out here as B and I will call this as ray BO. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 7 centimeters on the compass. I'm going to take B as my center out here and I am going to take 7 centimeters and cut off 7 centimeters on this ray BO and I'm going to call this BC. So I have drawn the base BC which is 7 centimeters. Alright, now what I'm going to do is, so let's do the construction and the writing at the same time. So first step will be draw ray BO, take or cut an arc on BO. So what are you going to call this arc? Cut an arc BC on BO and let BC is equal to 7 centimeters. Or you can further optimize this and write cut an arc BC is equal to 7 centimeter on BO. So on ray BO. Okay, so we have the base given which is 7 centimeters. Now we need to draw angle B which is 75 degrees. So how do we draw angle B equal to 75 degree? I'm going to take some length on my compass, any random length which is smaller than BC of course, and I'm going to place the compass with B as my center. I'm going to cut an arc. Cut an arc on BC and draw this semicircle. Now without changing this length on my compass, I'm going to take this point, cut an arc here on this semicircle and cut an arc here on this semicircle. If you want, you can cut an arc here. So if you notice, and getting back, if you notice, if you draw these lines connecting these 3 points, each angle that will be formed at B would be 60 degrees because 60 will give you 180 degrees. We have learned this while doing the construction in the chapter itself. So let's connect B to these points. So this angle out here is 60 degrees. Okay. And I'm going to connect B as well to this point. So what I'm going to do is, this is 60 degrees now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bisect this angle out here. If you notice this angle, I'm going to bisect it. So when I bisect this angle, I will get 30 degrees out here, right? Now I'm going to join B to this point out here. So this line out here is bisecting my angle, which is 60 degree out here. Now I'm going to further bisect this angle out here, if you notice. Okay, so when I bisect it, I'm going to get 15 degrees on each side. So when I get 15 degrees on this side, I will get 60 plus 15, which is 75 degrees. So that will give us angle B, which is 75 degrees. So let's go ahead and bisect this angle out here. So this is my angle B at the base, which is 75 degrees. So what is my next step going to be? My next step is going to be draw, let's give it a name, Q. Draw angle QBC is equal to 75 degrees. Now what I'm going to do is, see, we have drawn the base, which is 7 centimeters, angle B, which is 75 degrees. Now we need to find point A on this line QB such that it will give us point A and eventually triangle ABC. So how do we do this? I'm going to take length 13 centimeters on my compass and I'm going to cut it on the line QB. So 13 centimeters on my compass. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to join this length from here, O to B is, so this is O already, I'll say let this be P. So P to B is 13 centimeters. I'm going to join P to C. Now I'm going to write down this construction step. So my fourth construction step will be cut BP is equal to 13 centimeters on QB. Okay. Then join, or rather draw CP. So we have drawn CP now. What we are going to do is, we are going to bisect the line segment CP. So let's bisect it. So you have to be very careful while doing these constructions. This is my point out here and this is my point out here, which I need to connect. So connecting these points. So these points should connect such that it cuts my line segment BP. Here it is. So it's cutting BP at the point, and I will join this point to C, and you will notice that this is your triangle ABC. So this point A out here is your required point, and therefore triangle ABC is my required triangle. So let's write down the remaining steps. Now what we did is, we drew CP and then we bisected CP such that the bisector meets BP at A. So I'll say bisect CP such that the perpendicular bisector meets BP at point A. Therefore, triangle and then what you do is you join A to C. So now, therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle. And if you will measure AB plus BC, what you will get is 13 centimeters. So this was about question number 11. I hope you got it. This can range anywhere between 4 to 5 marks. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.